Hello, so today I'll be doing form validation. I'll be validating whether an email is of a correct format or not. So I'll be using our previous source code, the one we used when toggling the password check button to show or hide the password. So I'll be using that. Let me first show you how it looks like. For those who never watched the video, you can check for it. I uploaded it a few hours ago, so I'm going to be using that one. So let me show you. I'm going to start by adding an input tag of submit with a value of submit, and give it an ID submit. So let me show you how it looks like right now. Here it is. Let me add an email. Nothing happens. So let me start our JavaScript. Remember, we are using our embedded JavaScript. So I'm going to be doing an email validation. So I'll start by getting var email equals to document.getElement by ID. Remember, my input tag of email, I gave it an ID of email, so I'll be getting email. So in this validation, I'll be using a regular expression, and then I'll be using a test method, which is a predefined method in JavaScript. So let me do it. Let's start for my expression. My expression will be equals to at gmail sorry .com. So this is a regular expression. So I'll be checking whether my email is has at gmail.com, and I'll also be checking whether it's ending with at gmail.com. So I'll be using a $sign to specify that the email should be ending with at gmail.com. So let me start. I'll say if my expression dot test, which is a method in JavaScript, I'll be testing against my email dot test. So I'll be checking email dot value. I'll be checking whether my expression, I'll be testing whether my email is ending with my radio expression equals to true. If it's true, I'll be alerting the user it's a valid email. If else, I'll be telling the user that's an invalid email. I'll be telling the user it's an invalid email. So let's check it. Sorry, let's start. So let me add enter valid email and receive. It's not showing. Why? Because I didn't put this if statement in an event listener. So I'll be cutting it and get an event listener. That will be called when the submit button is clicked. So I'll say document get element by ID. I'll be getting submit. Remember, our submit So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.